Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway day. Anyways, right here we have our latest winner. No matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like. To sign up, just watch the entire video for the 3 steps coming up. And remember, you can always sign up for the battle pass since it is giftable. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. So right here, what he wants from the item shop is right here, Mr. Beast. So yes, for Mr. Beast, however, the bundle seems much better. So we're gonna go on and gift out the bundle, select his name, and send it away. Obviously, you do have to be friends for 2 days. That means 48 hours, not 3 days like most people think for some strange reason. And that's it. They get the gift right away. They don't have to wait not even a second. If they don't get the gift, they can just change their banner. Other than that, right here, I can verify that you got it because I cannot send it over again. You guys can see that he says owned. That's how I make sure he got the gift right away. Anyways, we can just go back. And there we go. We get to see your gift. All right, awesome. Good for you. Good choice. And for those of you who would like to sign up, follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done. Accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.